Issuing your commercial documents, especially commercial invoice and packing list, make sure the information you have is consistent. More often, I see commercial invoices showing one weight, packing list showing different weight, two different Incoterms in the same commercial invoice, or two different Incoterms like packing list and commercial invoice. When the cargo gets overseas and customs gets those documents, like something not matching up here. Some countries are very aware of weight discrepancy, like Incoterms discrepancy. One that I can cite off the top of my head is China and Brazil. So your cargo is going to be held for sure. Just making sure you read through your documents, everything is very consistent before you're going to go ahead. In case you're shipping samples or there's no monetary value to the cargo, or it's returning for repair, I get this question very often. Do I still have to put a value on the commercial invoice? The answer is yes. You always have to put a value on the commercial invoice, no matter what. And that value needs to be the correct marked value of the goods. That value is going to be only used for customs purpose. So you can add a note, value for customs purpose only. Because no matter, either if you're paying or not, someone will have to pay duties on that commodity. And customs needs that true value to determine how much the consignee or the shipper will be paying in duties and taxes. Making sure you have all your documents before exporting the goods. Like I said before, making sure all the certificate of origin, health certificates, and any other special documents that are necessary at destination, not only in the USA side, but at destination, is squared out. Some documents take a long time to be able to put your hands on, so you don't want the cargo get stuck in customs, incurring demurrage and storage until the documents get sorted out.